Alright, so we're back. And I have to pause it there for a second to get some stuff I needed. This is the receiver that I'm going to be going with, the SLR 300. I've been using this in all the Mojave Gram and upgrades I've been doing to the other RC cars. This is a really good cheap receiver right here. I gotta find a way that it'll still be able to reach. Yep. Okay. What to do with this? We'll leave that right there. Yeah, not bad. Maybe I'll mount that receiver right here so it can still be close to the fan. And it actually is a little snug right there too. We got steering. We got the motor. Just throttle and ESC. Be in business now. I won't even be able to test this for you guys until maybe another day, because I have to actually run to the hobby store and get a connector adapter so this can work with my current battery that I have. I don't have this one available, but we'll have everything set up, and on another video we'll go ahead and see how it is from there. Now let's see if this should be able to reach in here. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's on there pretty good. Just route that to the side. We'll leave this switch right here. Same thing, we'll try to tuck this away also, just to give it a bit of a cleaner look for now. Alright. Let's try to get this on here. Oh man, I wonder if that's going to get in the way. Looks like it might, so let's put this on first. Alright, seems to be on there okay. Oh man. Yeah, but there's no type of play with this connector. Might have to get an extension to allow me to connect this into that receiver there. That's weird. Why would this come with such a short connector? The other one I got, well, it actually wasn't Rocket RC, but it was the same size for the Mojave Gram I have. Came with a longer connector on there. Don't think that should cause any type of issues there because they're coated, so hopefully, you know, well, I'm going to keep an eye on temps anyway, so. Okay, so we got the motor in. Yeah, it seems pretty smooth. Alright, so I gotta get an adapter. That's what we're gonna follow up with. And I gotta get an extension for that. That's gonna be in time. Alright, thank you guys. I'll have you guys follow up with me. Well, I'll follow up with you guys on the next video, which will be the adapter, extension, battery, and we'll take it out out back for a nice little rip, see how it does.